Hello friends, in this session we are going to learn a very interesting and motivational poem, that is Be the Best, written by Douglas Mola. Friends, in this poem the poet is telling that if you can't be a pine on the top of the hill, be a scrub in the valley. Are you getting? But be the best little scrub by the side of the reel. Be a bush if you can't be a tree. Are you getting it? Poet is telling that if you can't be a pine on the top of the hill, जर तुम्हाला पाइन बनता येत नसेल टॉप ऑफ द हिलचं, if you can't be a pine tree which is usually at the top of the hill, then the poet is telling that be at least a scrub. Scrub means an area covered with a small low plant. म्हणजे आपण त्याला झुडूप असं म्हणतो. ते ॲटलिस्ट तुम्ही झुडूप तरी बनलं पाहिजे, ते बनता आलं पाहिजे आपल्याला. बट बी द बेस्ट लिटिल स्क्रब इन द साईड ऑफ द रील. पण असं झुडूप बनावं की जणू काही रील बाय द साईड ऑफ द रील. रील मीन्स अ स्ट्रीम, म्हणजे ओढ्याच्या काठावर जसं एखादं स्क्रब असतं ना, तर त्या पद्धतीने एक बेस्ट लिटिल स्क्रब वी शुड ट्राय टू बी. So the poet is telling that if you can't be a pine on the top of the hill, be a scrub in the valley. At least you should be a scrub, but be the best little scrub in the side of the reel. जे काही आपण बनतो ना त्याच्यातलं आपण टॉपचं बनलं पाहिजे, ते बेस्ट बनलं पाहिजे. फ्रेंड्स, in our life also we see that number of jobs are there, no? मग एखादा माणूस आपल्यातला IAS होतो. some people become the IAS officer. But all students from the same class, they can't be the IAS officer. But एखादा त्यातला one of them may become the carpenter. But the poet is telling that even though you will become a carpenter, doesn't matter. सुतार बनलात ना, doesn't matter. But be the best carpenter. तो सुतार कसा बनायचा? तर बेस्ट त्यातलं टॉपचं आपण बनले पाहिजे. जे काही कराल ना ते त्यातलं आपण टॉपचं केलं पाहिजे. सो दॅट इज वॉट द पोएट इज टेलिंग हियर. इट्स अ व्हेरी मोटिवेशनल पोएम. पोएट इन्स्पायर्स अ लॉट. पोएट मोटिवेट्स अ लॉट. सो द पोएट once again says that be a bush if you can't be a tree. If you can't be a tree, the poet is telling that be at least a bush. तुम्हाला एखादं झुडूप तरी बनता आलं पाहिजे, जरी उंच झाड नाही बनलात तरी पण. इफ यू कांट बी अ बुश, बी अ बीट ऑफ ग्रास. आणि नाही बुश बनता आलं, इफ यू कांट बी अ बुश, बी अ बीट ऑफ द ग्रास. तुम्हाला ॲटलिस्ट गवत तरी बनता आलं पाहिजे. अँड सम हायवे हॅपियर मेक. यू नो, if you become the grass and if you on the side of the highway, you can make that highway happier. You know, you can give happiness to all people. So this is what the poet is telling. Grass, you see in the garden some small grass is there, lawn is there, and even that green lawn also gives us lots of happiness. So the happiness that the trees give us, even small bush also gives us happiness. But if you can't be the bush, the poet is telling that be at least the grass. The poet is telling that if you can't be a muskie, then just be a bass. Muskie is also one of the, muskie and bass, both the names of the fish. So muskie is little bit attractive. Then the poet is telling that if you can't be a muskie, then be a bass. पण ते बास कसं पाहिजे? तो स्मॉल फिश आहे, ओके, बट द लवलीएस्ट बास इन द लेक. सो दॅट बास ऑल्सो, यू शुड बी द लवलीएस्ट बास ऑफ द लेक. We can't all be captains. Poet is telling that we can't all be captains. We have got to be crew. There is something for all of us here. There is a big work to do and there is a lesser to do. And the task you must do is the near. Friends, whatever work we do, we should do that work with honesty. For example, right now we are students, so what is our task? We should do that task in a better way. If you can't be a captain, we can't all be captains. For example, you take the example of the cricket team, all can't be the captain, no? Isn't it? So like that, you can't be all be the captains on the ship. Are you getting? You can't be the captains, but we have got to be crew. मग जर कॅप्टन नाही बनता आलं ना तर ॲटलिस्ट वी शुड बी अ क्रू मीन्स सेलर्स हू वर्क ऑन द शिप. म्हणजे आपण ॲटलिस्ट ते इतर खलाशी जे असतात ते तरी बनू शकतो. देर इज समथिंग फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस हिअर, अँड फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस देर इज समथिंग वर्क, सम वर्क ॲटलिस्ट असाइन टू अस. All of you can't be the monitor of your class, but if all of you do the task that is assigned to you, or if you won't create chaos in the class, and if you follow the self-discipline, then it doesn't matter whether you can't be that, the monitor of your class. There is a big work to do and there is a lesser to do. So कुछ बड़े काम होते हैं, कुछ छोटे काम होते हैं. दिस डझंट मीन दॅट अगर हम आपण एखादं झाडू मारण्याचं काम करतोय समजा, तर ते आपण एवढं प्रामाणिकपणाने केलं पाहिजे ना. वी शुड डू दॅट सो ऑनेस्टली दॅट पीपल विल अप्रिशिएट आवर टास्क, इजंट इट? ग्रेट पीपल, बट दे did the ordinary task in a best way, and that is why they become great in their life. So friends, there are big works and there are lesser works also, but the most important thing is that whatever task will come in your part, you should do that task very honestly, and that is what the poet wants to tell here. If you can't be the highway, then just be a trail. Are you getting? If you can't be the highway, then just be a trail. Trail means what? A narrow path. Everyone, if you can't be a highway, then just be a trail. ती पायवाट आपण बनावं. If you can't be the sun, be a star. Everyone can't be the sun, but at least we can be a star in our life. Are you getting? Friends, every person can't be the sun, but at least the importance of even small candle also has the importance. See, remove the darkness, tries to remove the darkness. That is why the candle says that I can't be the sun, but at least I can remove some darkness for some time. So that is what the poet is telling, that if you can't be the sun, then be a star. It isn't by size that you win or you fail. It isn't by the size that you win or you fail. Be the best of whatever you are. तुम्ही जिंकणं आणि आपलं जिंकणं आहे, हरणं जे आहे, तर ते कोणत्या आकारावर ते अवलंबून नसतं. पण जिथे आहात, wherever you are, you should do the best. That is very necessary. Even the ordinary task will come in your part, you should play your best role over there. So be the best. Even you want to be a teacher, then be the best teacher in your life. If you want to be the officer, then be the best officer in your life. If you want to be an engineer, then be the best engineer who works for the society. If you want to be a doctor, be the best doctor in your life. And if you can't be a doctor, you can be a nurse or a ward boy, and you can serve the society. How many stanzas are there in the poem? Okay, there are 4 stanzas. So what are the rhyming words used in the first stanza? Yes, heel, reel, then bee, tree. Then in the next stanza, you see grass, bass, make, lake, In next stanza, you will see that the crew, do, here, near, then trail, fail, star, are. So these are the rhyming words and rhyming pairs used in the poem. So you may write it down and try to practice it. You know, the title of the poem is The Be the Best, isn't it? And who is the poet? Yes, of course, Douglas Mola is the poet of this poem. The poem has how many stanzas? Okay, there are 4 stanzas, and each stanza has how many lines? Yes, exactly. There are 4 lines in each stanza. We will proceed little bit further. We will see the rhyme scheme of the poem. So, what is the rhyme scheme? So, rhyme scheme is even ordinary students can understand that. We will learn it in a deeper way in the next classes, but for the introductory part, we should just introduce it. First of all, for example, we'll take the first stanza. First word is heel, so it is the first word in line. Rhyme scheme is usually written in the small letters, alphabets. Small alphabets are used. You will understand it easily. I will just try to explain it. So first word is heel, so we'll name it as A. म्हणजे पहिला शब्द हिल आहे आणि आपण त्याला काय अक्षराने नाव दिलं? ए असं नाव दिलं. दुसरा शब्द रायमिंग वर्ड, त्या लाईनचा शेवटचा शब्द कोणता आहे? बी. हा बी शब्द हिलची राईम होतो का? नाही राईम होत. म्हणून आपण या बीला नाव देऊया बी. म्हणजे पहिल्या याला आपण ए नाव दिलं, तो दुसरा बी आहे, तो हिलची राईम होत नाही, पण हिलला आपण ए नाव दिलं होतं म्हणून हा डिफरंट आहे, म्हणून आपण त्याला बी नाव दिलं. नाव थर्ड वर्ड इज रील. डज इट राईम विथ बी? बीशी राईम होतो का? नाही राईम होतो त्याच्याशी. बट डज इट राईम विथ हिल? येस, इट राईम्स विथ हिल. पण आपण हिलला काय नाव दिलं आहे? ए नाव दिलं आहे. मग आपण रीलला कोणता अक्षर लिहूया? मग बी लिहिता येईल की ए लिहिता येईल? येस, एक्झॅक्टली. आपण इथे पण आपण काय लिहायचं लागेल? ए लिहायला लागेल. ओके. आता लास्ट वर्ड कोणता आहे? ट्री. ट्री रीलशी राईम होतो का? नाही. तो बीशी राईम होतो का? होतो. पण बीला आपण नाव दिलेलं आहे बी, मग ट्रीला देखील आपण नाव देऊया बी. मग राईम स्कीम म्हणजे काय? तर ही यमक रचना जी आहे ती कशी आलेली आहे? समजा आता हिलला आपण ए नाव दिलं, बीला बी, रीलला ए, ट्रीला बी. म्हणजे आता राईम स्कीम झाली ए बी ए बी. मग हे ए बी ए बी हे कसं लिहायचं? राईम स्कीम ऑफ द फर्स्ट स्टांजा इज ए बी ए बी. नाउ विल ट्राय ऑन द नेक्स्ट स्टांजा. सो grass is there, so we'll write grass as A. Then make doesn't rhyme with grass, so we'll write it as a B. Then bass, does it rhyme with make? No. Does it rhyme with grass? Yes, it rhymes with grass, so we will name it as A once again. And last word is lake, so does it rhyme with bass? No, it doesn't rhyme. Lake, does it rhyme with make? Yes, it rhymes with make, but we named it make as B, so we will write lake also as B. So AB AB rhyme scheme once again. Second stanza we have the AB AB rhyme scheme. Now third stanza, you can try yourself. Crew is there, the first word is there, so we'll write it as A. Then here it doesn't rhyme with crew, so B. Then do, it doesn't rhyme with here, but do rhyme with crew, so we'll write it as A. And near rhymes with here, so we'll write it as a B. So once again third stanza we have AB AB rhyme scheme. And last stanza we'll see now. Trail is there, we'll name it as A. Then star word is there, it doesn't rhyme with trail, so we'll name it as B. Then fail is there, it rhymes with trail, so we'll write it A. And R is there, which rhymes with star, so we write it as a B. So what is the rhyme scheme? A B A B. So in this way, students, we have learned the rhyme scheme of the poem. So rhyme scheme of the poem is A B A B, and rhyme scheme is usually written in small letters. Are you getting? Yes. Thanks a lot, students. You will proceed further. certain poems are there which are given at the end of your end of the poem. So you should read that poem, Little Drops of Water. So once again it is related to the theme of this poem only. Little drops of water, little grains of sand make the mighty ocean and the pleasant land. Are you getting? Little drops of water make the mighty ocean. थेंबे थेंबे तळे साचे. And little grains of sand make the mighty ocean. Little drops of water and little grains of sand make the mighty ocean and the pleasant land. So little deeds of kindness, little words of love, they help to make earth happy and like the heaven above. So are you getting? लिटिल डीड्स ऑफ काइंडनेस, आपण जे काही काइंडनेस करतो म्हणजे दयाळूपणा आपण दाखवलेला थोडासा दयाळूपणा असेल. सो काइंड, द काइंडनेस इज द नाउन फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ड काइंड. सो लिटिल डीड्स ऑफ काइंडनेस अँड द वर्ड्स ऑफ लव, लिटिल वर्ड्स ऑफ लव, दे हेल्प टू मेक द अर्थ हॅपी अँड लाईक द हेवन अबोव. सो दया, करुणा, शांती ह्या ज्या गोष्टी आहेत, प्रेम जे आहे, तर त्याच्याने आपल्याला ह्या पृथ्वी तळावर आपल्याला नंदनवन आपल्याला बनवता येईल किंवा जे स्वर्ग आहे तो या पृथ्वी तळावरच आपल्याला बनवता येईल. एक छान मेसेज या पोएममधून आपल्याला दिलेला आहे. सो दिस इज द व्हेरी इंटरेस्टिंग पोएम. यू मस्ट हॅव एन्जॉयड इट. सो थँक्स अ लॉट फॉर लिसनिंग पेशंटली. And meanwhile, one thing I would like to tell that do practice the chit-chat activities and the activities given in the English workshop. So do solve that activities by your own. Don't use the ready-made material and other things.